Hi, my name is Josh Mintel. I'm from Moe's Outdoor Equipment Supplies and Ace Hardware, located in Springboro, Ohio. Today we're going to talk about common maintenance with commercial lawnmowers. The first thing I want to go over before you start your day out, the easiest thing to do is check the oil on all your equipment. I urge people to check it every day. Sometimes leaks can happen. Units do normally burn a little bit of oil, so that is one of the easiest things to do to get your day started. When you're checking your oil, make sure you check the dipstick. Some dipsticks have you just set the oil on top of the threads. Other dipsticks have you turn the threads all the way down to get the proper level. The next most important thing is checking your air filters. You normally want to make sure they're clean. Normally on commercial units, they say the maintenance period's about every 100 hours, but it depends on the season, how dry or how wet it was. One of the biggest mistakes I see people do is blowing out air filters with like an air gun from their compressor. That is a big no-no. All that's going to do is basically blow holes into the filter to let dirt and particles into your engine. So once you take care of the air filter, you check the oil. The next step's going to be you want to make sure you do all your common grease points. I urge people to check those and grease them weekly. We're going to move up front here, and I'm going to go over items to check on your deck for some other common maintenance items. Now moving on to your deck. When you open your deck up, the first thing you're going to want to do is clean any debris out. You basically want that to be as clean as possible to get as much air in there. You're going to want to check your belt, make sure there's no cracks in it, make sure it's not dry rotted. And you're going to want to check all your pulleys and springs. If a belt were to come off, it can cause damage to other things. So if you check these other maintenance items, you can always prevent a belt from breaking. Another common practice I like to have is belts are a wearable item. That is something I urge customers to maybe have an extra belt of. Because a belt most likely sometime in this mower's lifetime is going to break. Next maintenance item we're going to talk about is tires. It is crucial you have the proper tire pressure in your mower. A, for correct cutting height. B, for wearability. If you have the wrong pressure in your tire, you're going to cause your tires to wear improperly. And tires can get very expensive at times. So it's very crucial you check your tires for the proper pressure. The other reason to check your tires for proper pressure is your front tires, if they're not a run flat tire, really don't hold that much air pressure. So if they lose any air pressure at all, they can go flat, which can cause you to basically have a breakdown in the middle of a job. So I urge all customers to make sure and keep up on their front tire pressure especially. Once again, my name's Josh Mintel. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, you can reach us at Facebook or buyatmows.com.